Eggplant.
Welcome to this quick video where I'll cover rapid image and character collection capture sessions. Both of these session types involve capturing images, though SenseTalk script references to the resulting images will be quite different depending on the session type. I'll begin with rapid image capture sessions, as the use of the resulting images more closely aligns with previously discussed methods of image searching. Rapid image capture sessions provide a quick way to capture many images from a particular screen or menu displayed on the application under test. Generally speaking, images within a rapid image capture session are captured with the expectation that they will be referenced within a script. Often that script does not yet exist, but in some cases it might. Begin the rapid image capture session either on the Sessions screen of the suite or under the Start Session menu. The session automatically toggles capture mode. While in capture mode, click on any UI or text elements that need to be captured. In order to capture images from other screens on the SUT, toggle into live mode, manipulate the SUT so that the desired screen appears, and then toggle back into capture mode. Click on any additional elements that should be captured. Once the desired elements have been clicked on, end the rapid image capture session. Open the session to refine the images. Like the other image capturing methods, such as turbo capture sessions or assisted scripting, rapid image capture employs edge detection and OCR to help name the image, set the capture boundaries, and set the search type. Manually refining these settings might be required, particularly when specifying image names. It's also possible to move the hotspot while processing a rapid image capture session. Once the session is refined, generate the images to save them into the current suite. The captured images are available for use via manual scripting in the script editor and will show up in autocomplete, or can be dragged from the images area into the script. Character collection capture sessions also capture images. However, the images are small, encompassing just a single text character, and the images are referenced quite differently within a script. The purpose of character collections is to create a set of text character images that can be used for both finding text strings on the screen and also reading text off the screen. In almost all cases, a single character collection will include images of characters that use the same text style and will not mix styles. Though both character collections and OCR are used to find and read text, the approaches are fundamentally distinct. Character collection searches use image matching to find and read text. In most cases, OCR is preferred over character collections for validating text, but in certain cases, character collections are superior. Consider using character collections where OCR has failed to consistently interpret text, even with the appropriate OCR properties in place. Character collections work best to identify either large text or text that is aliased, like the example shown here. Character collections must contain one captured image for each character that needs to be validated. For example, if the string @cnn.com must be found or read, then the character collection must contain the @ symbol, capital C, capital N, period, lowercase c, lowercase o, and lowercase m. In some cases, multiple character collection capture sessions will be needed in order to capture all necessary characters to that collection. Character collection capture sessions can be started in the Sessions area of the suite or under the Start Session menu. Once the session is running, click on each unique character that uses the text style that belongs to the text that needs to be found or read. If it's possible to get a rendering of the full character set from the application's developers and display it on the SUT, this can allow easier access to images of all necessary characters. Once the unique characters with the appropriate text style have all been clicked, end the session in order to process it. Each image in the session must be assigned a character, so that Eggplant knows which character the image represents. In most cases, the session will be able to automatically set the character based on integrated OCR capabilities, but make sure to override or add the character assignments where required. The boundaries of the capture area around the character might also need adjustment. especially if characters are quite close together or overlap. Leaving too much white space around the edges of the character could prevent Eggplant from finding or reading the text as desired. Character collection images default to using search type tolerant. This is because when images are very small, such as when they encompass only a single character, they are incompatible with the search type smooth algorithm. However, search type smooth is often essential to matching anti-aliased text, because the smoothness of the text is dynamically generated and needs to be counteracted by the search type smooth algorithm. In cases where text is anti-aliased, but the images are too small for use with search type smooth, character collections are not appropriate. The text in this example is aliased, which means it doesn't require search type smooth. Character images can be saved into a new character collection or into a pre-existing collection, depending on whether the characters represent a new text style or are additions to a text style that already has some images. SenseTalk includes a special set of properties, a global property, and a function to leverage character collections for the purposes of finding or reading text elements. There are a number of character collection properties described in the online Eggplant functional documentation that can be used to control the spacing used by character collection searches and reads. As previously mentioned, character collections can be used for both finding and reading text on the set. For finding text, use the characters property to specify the string of text to search for, such as in this wait for example. Also specify the name of the appropriate character collection using the character collection property, so that Eggplant knows which images to use in the search. Eggplant will only find the text on the screen if it matches both the string specified with the characters property and the text style used in the images in the character collection. The read characters function allows reading of text that matches the text style of a specified character collection. This read characters function example will read between the upper left and lower right images, determining the strings of text that are present in the area, using image searches. A global property called current character collection is also available to globally specify the character collection name, instead of having to include it in each search or read characters function. You can find more information about rapid image and character collection capture sessions on our documentation. We hope you enjoy using these powerful features.